Uh, I feel this shit deeper than we think of. Like, what if there was fake birds? I know you don't want to believe that. Have you ever looked it up? Ever? Nope. But have you ever seen like a baby pigeon? Ah, wait. Heard of anybody that's seen one? I'm just saying, shit you don't think about. What if I showed you a picture saying CIA admitting that they use baby, no, they use ravens, pigeons, and even cats as their best spies? What would you say then? Alright, no, check this out, I'm about to show you right here.